नमस्कार, ऋतु कौशल एक बार फिर से आपके साथ है और अभी मैं बात करूँगी थ्रोट चक्रा एंड वेल नोन इन हिंदुइज्म विशुद्धा चक्रा. Vishuddha chakra is a very important chakra, and actually it defines the quality of life. The throat chakra gives voice to the heart chakra and controls our ability to communicate our personal power. If someone has a great nature or great way and or ability to express himself beautifully, that person definitely has a beautiful throat chakra. When it's functioning at full capacity, it allows us to express ourselves truly and clearly. Someone with a blocked throat chakra will feel like they have trouble finding the word to say how they truly feel. If you feel sometimes that you want to say something, but suddenly you feel what to say, what should I say, how do I say, if you feel that problem, if you are always feel yourself weak expressing yourself at the right time and right place, that means you have a blocked throat chakra. Vishuddha chakra represent inspirations, expressions, faith, and the ability of communication. Imbalance of throat chakra may lead to timidity, quietness, a feeling of weakness, or the inability to express your thoughts. Those people are expressing themselves so much that they do not allow others to speak. That too is a sign of poor throat chakra. Perfect throat chakra does not block others' expressions. It actually creates a harmonization or alignedness with others' thoughts and expressions. Balance of the throat chakra can manifest itself by creativity, positive self-expressions, constructive communication, and satisfactions. As we can see, our poets, writers, they are very good in expressing themselves. Location of throat chakra is throat. Center of the throat is actually location of throat chakra. What it controls? Communication, self-expression, and truth. Those have habit to speak lie unnecessarily. Definitely their throat chakra is not working well. If someone is speaking aloud, so never believe they have good throat chakra. It means they have a poor throat chakra which cannot balance the energies inside it. Those have habit to crush other voices. These people too have poor throat chakra. If they have good throat chakra, so these people become the voice of others, as our Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, or other great leaders. Those become voice of millions and created a history. Mantra or affirmation is I speak my truth always. Color is light blue or turquoise. Element is sound or music. Generally you will see people those belongs to music and follow the ethics of music, vocal or instrumental. These people have a very good throat chakra. So we say in Hinduism it is a blessing of goddess Saraswati. Stone is aquamarine, lapis lazuli, amethyst, etc. 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 Lapis lazuli is a maximum taken by the people to heal their throat chakra, and yes, it works amazingly. It develops in the age of 29 to 35 years old age. But if a person works strong and balance his lower chakras, so this chakra can be activated in the age of 15 to 16. Also, you will see some people have habit to speak very sweetly, that we want to hear them again and again and again. So these people too have an activated throat chakra since their birth, or by the grace of birth. So this is actually blessing of their past karma, or a special meditation, we can say. So keep your throat chakra always clean and bright. You can use blue color, you can wear blue crystals, you can use blue color paintings in your room, and fruits, those are coming in color blue, that to help at great level. Today I actually seen a medicine for throat from the company of Himalaya. That medicine was coated with blue color of throat chakra. So I realized that our medicine industry do understand the value of chakra system. To heal your throat chakra, you can wear blue dresses on your upper body. As I seen some girls have a habit to wearing blue dupatta, blue strolls, blue scarves. This too is a great way to heal your throat chakra. Some drinks are coming in blue color, that too actually heals your throat chakra. Muleti named a herb too available in I think it is called amrita. So you can, if you simply chew that herb, this too works very strongly in your throat chakra. To keep your throat chakra strong and active, always speak truth and listen good things, happy things, listen music. And if you are Reiki person, so it is very easy to clean throat chakra for you. If you chant any mantra, that too actually work to heal and open your throat chakra. I hope this is enough for today. Your friend Ritu Kaushal with love speaking about chakra system to you. You can write me emails about your queries and courses. Thank you.